Koitandag Nature Reserve, formerly Kugatang Nature Reserve, is a nature reserve in the extreme east of Turkmenistan. Established in 1986, it is located in the Koitandag range of Labap province and covers an area of 271.4 square kilometers. The reserve is home for the rare Heptner's markhor Capra falconeri heptneri. It also incorporates 4 sanctuaries. Garlic Sanctuary, established in 1986. Hojapal Sanctuary, established in 1986. Hojaberjibalent Sanctuary, established in 1986. Hojagarawal Sanctuary, established in 1999.